Hello everyone, this is Robert with SparkFun Electronics, and I have a few products to show you for your post-holiday season. Hopefully everyone had a good Christmas, and let's see what little things we have for this week. First up, I want to talk about this guy. This is the new Raspberry Pi Wedge B+. This is very similar to the last PieWedge that we had, but this one works with the new B+, which has the expanded GPIO header. It comes as this kit. Included, you get the ribbon cable, which is a 20x2 40-pin ribbon cable. You get the lovely wedge-shaped PCB. You can see it there. And then we also have the 40-pin connector, a few various headers to connect on, and a couple of capacitors for your voltage lines. Now this board is designed so that you can plug it into a breadboard like so, and then you have your connector over on that side, connects back to your B+. Really what this does is it gives you access to all of the GPIO pins on that header that you can access then from a breadboard, because this is a little bit more complicated. So it allows you to prototype with the Raspberry Pi a little bit easier, so go ahead and check out the new PieWedge B+. And next up, we have a very interesting book. This is from Alicia Gibb, a longtime supporter and friend of SparkFun Electronics. This book is Building Open Source Hardware. Really what this book does, it tells you how to do what SparkFun did. It tells you how to create an open source project, create the derivatives from an open source project, and everything you need to know about manufacturing, design, and everything you need to know about building open source hardware. Alicia is the executive director of the Open Source Hardware Association, and it has a list of various other authors, including one of our own, Matt Bolton, the director of production here at SparkFun, as well as some other industry people that you might know, like Dave Mellis and Becky Stern, to name a few. So it's an interesting book that really dives into all the aspects of open source hardware. To go along with the book, there is this kit. This is a built-up version of the Blinky Building Kit. This is an example used in the book in one of the chapters about how to create a derivative work. We get a lot of questions here at SparkFun about, let's say the Raspberry Pi Wedge. This is something that is open source, but how then do you create a derivative from it? So it goes into all the concepts of what you need to do and what you need to be aware of when creating a derivative work from someone else's open source work. So, how to take the GitHub repo, create your own, how to make modifications, and where not to step on toes and what is legally allowed and what is not legally allowed. So this kit is in association with the book, and it gives you an idea of the physical thing that was created as an example in the book, so you can make changes to this, modify it, and then create your own derivative of this and create your own Blinky Building Kit. These are a couple of the new products that we have for this week. As always, we have more new products on the website, so go ahead and check that out at sparkfun.com. And hopefully everyone got what they wanted for Christmas, but if not, we have a website full of fantastic products that you can go buy whatever it is you desire. So we'll see you next week with even more new products. Thanks for watching.